2018 Ford Escape. Gas engines flex, tow, sip and go with Ford Escape. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, heated front seats, electronic stability control, fog lights, rear window defroster, compass, trip computer, security system, CD player, brake assist, panic alarm, remote keyless entry, overhead console, tachometer, driver vanity mirror. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.